Today we are going to learn how to see Instagram messages that were unsent to you before you even saw them. So, let's begin. Okay, so first let's go to a chat. Yes, so whenever you receive a message such as hi right there, so when the person unsends that message, the message actually disappears without leaving behind anything. Like you won't even realize that a person sent you a message. So what if I get a message when I'm not on Instagram? Like I close it and now I send a message right there. So I will of course receive a notification on my phone, but when I unsend this message, like unsend, okay, so the message is gone, but you have the notification. So most of us do not read the message on notification, we just click. So now the message is also not there, nor we have the notification. So how do we read the message? Well, go on Play Store, search for an app called Notification History. Yeah, so you search that and there is an app called Notification Log. So install that app. The app is very small, like 817 kilobytes, not even 1 MB. So let the app download and then open the app. And first up, what you have to do is that status which is disabled, click on that and then enable that so that your app starts working. Okay, and yeah, so now your app is enabled. So let's go ahead. Okay, so now when you receive a message on Instagram such as hi, I'll send that. So that is sent. You can see that one on that Instagram icon, and also you receive the notification right on that top. So now when I unsend that message, so that one you see right there, that will disappear right there, but the notification will be still there. So when you click it, there is no message, right? So close that, but the notification log will save your message. So you can see there is a notification from Instagram stating hi. So that works for even bigger messages, like even if I send what are you doing, so I'll send that from another phone. What are you doing? Okay, sent. So now you can see that I received the message right there. So what if I open Instagram directly without even seeing the notification? So unsend the message. Now I open Instagram, so there is no message right there. And what if I delete the notifications by mistake? So at the end of the day, when I open my notification log, there I can see that there was a message from Instagram stating what are you doing. So that is how, even when there are much bigger messages that do not fit in your notification tab, so you can check them out from this app called Notification Log, where you can read the whole messages. And also, like if your day is over and you want to delete all the notifications received on that day, you can click on the three dots on the top right corner. You can click that button, and from there you can click delete log and delete all your notifications so that you can start another day with a fresh start.